Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Rollup in Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Airtable, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. A rollup field in Airtable allows you to perform calculations or aggregate data from linked records. This is especially useful when you have two tables with related data and you want to summarize or analyze information from one table in another. Once you are logged into your account, if you haven't already, create a base that you're going to work with the rollup field. Click on the create button here and you can start from scratch. Now, there's going to be like an option wherein you can customize the interface. You can start with a grid view, calendar, gallery, or a Kanban, or even a timeline. Now, the rollup fields works this way. If you have multiple data here, you can simply click on the plus button to add field. And now on the field type in rollup. You see that? Click on it. You see, there's going to be an option here for the rollup that says formatting here needs a data to work with. So since I don't have any information, what I'm going to do instead is look for a file that I have been working with recently. I'm going to discard this for now. I'm going to go to the home page again and look for a file that I can work with. Now in this case, I'm going to be opening this one. Now again, hover back to the add a field section. Let's look for the rollup. Type it in. And create a field. All right, you can add a description. Now, if this is going to be some problems because it needs a data for them to work with. Again, I'm switching back to the home page to look for any file that I have recently worked with, a file that we can summarize for the rollup field. Now I'm clicking this option right here because these has so many information in it. Again, hover to the plus sign. Field type is rollup. When you click on it, you see you need to choose a field in this table. For example, I'm looking on the maybe agency team. All right. Of course, you have the option to include only link records from the agency contacts table that meet certain conditions. All right. So you see, we can put in where the name contains and enter a value if you want it. For example, that you can add another condition plus add condition group if you wanted as well. You can add a description right here. In terms of the formatting, you can choose the description from this side. But if you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on create a field. Options are not valid, so let's do that. Create a field instead. Now here, and we have already used the rollup here in Airtable. So the idea is, if you have set it up, the rollup fields effectively in Airtable provides the summaries and insights, making it easier to analyze data and make decisions directly within your tables. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.